Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. See you again with me in order to talk English meeting to about the inside a computer. But before, if there is any wrong of my explanation, please forgive and correct it. Okay, let's go to question number 1. What is the meaning of CPU? CPU is the brain of the computer, which is in chain of processing instruction, running operating system and application, also processes data and generates output, and can be stored by application or displayed on the screen. Okay, question number 2. What are the components of inside a computer? A computer have four main components. The arithmetic logic unit or ALU. 2. The control unit. Number 3. The memory, and finally the input and output device. Okay, question number 3. What is the meaning of ALU? ALU or arithmetic logic unit is capable of performing two classes of operation, is arithmetic and logic. Okay, question number 4. Can you explain about ROM and RAM? Okay, the first, ROM or read-only memory is information stored permanently on the chip. Memory doesn't rely on electric current to store data. Instead, data is written to individual bits using binary code. Is RAM or random access memory is the information temporarily stored in the module is erased when you restart or shut down computer, because the information is stored electronically on transistor. Okay, question number 5. What are some including the hardware computer? What includes the hardware is input device and output device. Okay, question number 6. Mention example of input device and output device. Okay, before, input device is used to provide data and control signal to an information processing system. Okay, is example in input device is mouse. Mouse is a pointing device that works by detecting two dimensions. Number 2 example is keyboard. Keyboard is still the commonest way printing information into a computer. Example number 3, scanners. Scanner allow you to scan printer material and convert into a file format. Example number 4, touchpad. The touchpad is a device that lies on the desktop and responds to pressure. And example and others. Okay, now output device is any piece of equipment used to communicate the result of data processing carried out by an information processing system, which convert to electronically queried information into human reliable form. Example output device number 1 is monitor or LCD. Monitor LCD is the computer screen is used for outputting information. Example number 2 is printer. Printer is a device that accepts text and graphic output from a computer and transfer the information to paper. Question number 3 is speaker. Speaker is transducer that convert electromagnetic wave into sound waves and receive audio input from a device such as a computer. And example and others. Okay, question number 7 is finally mention example of storage device. Okay, storage device for computer enable is user to store and safely access the data and application on a computer device. Example is storage into primaries. Example is number 1, storage in primary, such as RAM and ROM. Example number 2 is secondary storage, are as hard disk device or HDD and solid state drivers or SSD. Okay, and example finally tertiary storage, such as magnetic tape, VCD or DVD. Okay. Thank you to attention and bye bye.